we got two Ford Raptors. One is 2018 and the other one is 2010, I believe. Both getting custom fenders installed. So we got the fenders for the Raptor. They're aftermarket, and we're trying to make this grill fit this. It's gonna look like this. It's a fiberglass, and then you put Bondo over it and primer, and it looks like factory. Alright, we got the fenders in the spray boot, fenders and quarter panels. Time to paint them. Alright, we got the 2018 Raptor. We're gonna install the fenders. They're all painted and ready to go.
You better off running with the bulls and running with that bullshit. Yeah. You better off running with the bulls and running with that bullshit. Hey. You better off running with the bulls and running with that bullshit. Knock it out the park while I'm sitting in the bullpen. I'm too ahead of my time, you could've bet on my line. Can't do it better than mine. I pin the rhythm and die for every nickel and dime. Think that I'm sick in the mind, sick with lyricism, intricate rhymes. They wanna pick it and try to rebuttal me, utterly a waste of their time. But that on God like, it's imperative, get more than a paralegal. A parachute with a paratrooper, that's a pair of people. Apparently I'm parallel to a pyramid. Comparatively you a parrot and I ain't hearing that I might take your ass back to Aspen. Future is your past, you a half past the has-been. The girl call me captain, friends always dapping when I come around your whole city. Fuck how you been rapping and I'm clapping back like an audience. Fit two chicks up in my audience.